Hi, my name is Michael Chadwick, the Manhattan Apartment Guru. I'm here with some very simple steps to get you prepared to rent an apartment in New York City. So if you are looking to rent an apartment in New York City, you want to keep in mind that landlords look for people that earn at least 40 times the rent. And if you don't make 40 times the rent, they're going to want you to have a guarantor who earns at least 80 times the rent. It sounds like a lot of money, but try to consider that the laws in New York City favor the tenants, or the laws in New York State. So if you were someone, I'm sure you're not that person, but let's say that you were someone that did not pay your rent, it could take 6 months to a year for the landlord to get you out. So landlords are very careful about who they put in their apartments, because if they make a wrong decision and they bring someone in who stops paying the rent, it can be very costly and expensive and timely to get someone out. So some landlords are different. Part of working with an experienced agent like myself is that if let's say you had a guarantor that only made 60 times the rent, I know very specifically landlords that would approve a guarantor with less than the 80 times the rent requirement. And that's because I've walked every square foot of Manhattan and rented over 300 apartments in 4 years. So I'm just saying, it really helps to have someone who knows what they're talking about. So the kind of documents you want to have, you want to show that you have consistent employment, consistent regular income. So we want to have pay stubs in the last 2 to 3 weeks, a verification of employment letter. Sometimes people give me their offer letter and think that's okay. Well, maybe that was pay stubs, but what landlords really prefer is a verification of employment letter, because what this does is it shows to whom it may concern, this letter is to verify so-and-so has been employed since X date, this is their income. For any further questions, call me 555, blah, 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 sign here. That's what a verification of employment letter is. Now let's say you were a student. Let's say you were a student from a foreign country. Well, then what we need is a verification of enrollment letter. So a letter from the school showing that you actually are enrolled in the school, proof of the tuition deposit you paid, we'll need to see your visa. And if you do not have a guarantor, if you have no income, no credit, then most landlords in New York want you to pay the entire lease term in advance. So there you go, there's some tips for how to rent an apartment in New York City. Keep in mind that as we enter peak season, we're looking at a market where there could be 6 to 8 people for every single apartment that you see on the market. So it's extremely competitive. So make sure that when you come to see an apartment that you are prepared with a file that has all the paperwork you're going to need to rent that apartment, so that way you can be positioned to move competitively as soon as you see one that you like. So if, I'm with Bond New York. We have access to every single apartment on the market, just about keys or contact info, and we've been doing this for a long time. So if you want to see what we have available, give me a call. My telephone number is 585-415-6170, and my email is mchadwick@bondnewyork.com. You also can follow me on Instagram, instagram.com/ManhattanApartmentGuru, and I'm on Twitter. My handle is mchadwick1. All right. So have a great day. Thank you.